Web. Free for 1 year. Really?
Yes, Adobe is giving away 1 year of Photoshop Web completely free, but only to Chrome users who act before December 8th.
How?
Here's exactly how to claim it. Only takes 2 minutes. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. Step 2. Search Adobe Photoshop Chrome extension. Step 3. Click Add to Chrome. Step 4. Click Add Extension when prompted. Step 5. Look for Start Your Free Year of Photoshop Web. Sign in with your Adobe account. Done. Free access is automatically added to your account. Deadline, December 8th. After that, the offer disappears. Mark your calendar, set a reminder. Don't miss this if you're a creator, student, or small business owner who needs professional editing tools without the monthly bill.